Hey, guys. When I first moved to Canada, UK, I spent way too much money. As an immigrant or expat, you might do the same mistakes. The biggest one I made? Number 7, I was spending my daily income in Canada, and I could have saved over $5,000 in my first year, but we'll talk about how to fix it and save up the money. Welcome to Jarvis MoneyMap Global. Let's dive in. Mistake 1, ignoring your credit score. Alright, let's start fresh. For a good credit score, start by getting a secured credit card in Canada or a credit builder card in the UK. Just use it for small buys and pay it off on time. Fix. Use services like Wise or Revolut. Choose better exchange rates with minimal fees and build a credit score. Mistake 2, using the wrong bank or app. Next up, using your home country's bank account or that airport currency exchange. Never do that. Every transfer or ATM withdrawal costs you money and bad exchange rates. If you transfer money regularly, you could lose hundreds of dollars. Fix. Use services like Wise or Revolut. They'll offer better rates with minimal fees. Mistake 3, expanding accommodation. Next, paying too much for a place. Living too close to the city or renting the first apartment you see. Not a good move. I wasted 6 months learning this and could have saved hundreds of dollars. Fix. Look for shared housing or a flatmate outside the city for a better commute. And negotiate. Mistake 4, ignoring loyalty and discount programs. I could have saved hundreds of dollars in groceries with a discount program in the UK or Canada. At first, I thought they were crazy. Fix. Get store cards like Tesco Club Card or PC Optimum. Use their apps to save on your grocery bill by 10-15. That's over $800 a year. Mistake 5, fear of investing early. Alright, investing early might seem scary. Keep your money safe in a bank account or use services like Wealthsimple or Trading 212 for fractional shares. Remember, time is your best friend. Mistake 6, expensive phone plan. Wasting hundreds of dollars on 18-month phone plan. Not cool. Budget carriers like giffgaff or Virgin Mobile offer better deals. Fix. Use SIM-only plans. Buy refurbished phones and switch providers each 6 months. You could save over $300 a year. Conclusion: follow these 7 mistakes and save over $5,000 in your first year. Remember, smart money, global freedom. Now, you're ready to start your investment journey. Watch out for those huge taxes mistakes too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.